Hey, good morning everybody and welcome back to worldtvondemand.com, and I'm here. Hey, I have a question today from Kerri Holland, and she's asking about the apps for the TV. And she says, I don't think I have apps on my Vizio TV, and I don't know where they'd be if they were on there. So the short answer is, when you're buying a TV, if you're buying a smart TV, you got to make sure that it's something that has the apps on it. If it don't have the apps on it, there's alternatives. So the one thing you can do is add a device. I have a very nice Sony Blu-ray player, and the only thing you got to do to hook that up is hook a HDMI cable to the TV, just like this. And then hook the other end to your Blu-ray player, just like this. And then when you plug it in, you're going to have apps, because the Blu-ray players have apps on them. Now, how do you get to the apps? On your remote, you push the source button. I'll show you the source button. The source button right there. Push the source button. And now we're going to go over to unknown. I think that's it. And now there's the Blu-ray player. And the Blu-ray player has Amazon, Hulu, Netflix, Hulu, National Hockey, YouTube, Crackle, Weather Nation, Wild TV, AOL, whatever that is, Snag Films. I mean, it has a lot of stuff. Now this is an older Blu-ray, and it has all this stuff. This Blu-ray is probably at least 5 years old, maybe older. It's probably closer to 10 years old. But it has all these things on it. I'm just showing you. I'm just going to go through here real quick and show you what it's got. Cinema Now, Skyfall in theaters November the 9th. Well, you know when that was, so. I mean, this is the apps, the add-ons and apps that you can get with a Blu-ray player just by connecting it with your HDMI cable. One in the TV, one in the Blu-ray player, turn it on, and you get all this cool, great stuff. Plus you can play your music CDs, your DVDs, your Blu-ray DVDs. And that is how you add apps to your TV if it don't come pre-installed and you can't get them to install on your TV. Hey, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I have another video for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day. I'm out of here.